Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a crucial component for anyone needing to bring their DJI Mini 3 back to life after a significant issue: the genuine core motherboard replacement. When a drone suffers damage, especially involving the main electronics, replacing the entire unit can be incredibly costly. This is where a high-quality spare part like this genuine mainboard becomes invaluable. It's presented as an original accessory, which is a critical detail for drone components. Using original parts ensures compatibility and maintains the intended performance and reliability of the aircraft, something third-party or non-genuine parts can sometimes compromise. The description highlights that this is designed to replace a damaged original board. For someone facing a non-functional Mini 3 due to a mainboard failure, having access to a genuine replacement is the most direct path to repair. The ease of installation is mentioned, which, while replacing a motherboard is never a trivial task for the inexperienced, suggests that for those with the necessary technical skills and tools, the design of this part facilitates the process. This isn't a plug-and-play for everyone, but for a repair technician or an advanced hobbyist comfortable with intricate electronics, the promise of easy installation is a significant benefit, potentially saving time and reducing the risk of further damage during the repair process. Furthermore, the product is described as having fine craftsmanship. This speaks to the quality of manufacturing. A motherboard is the brain of the drone, housing countless tiny components and complex circuitry. Fine craftsmanship implies precision in assembly, quality soldering, and robust connectors. This level of detail is essential for the reliable operation of a sophisticated device like the Mini 3, ensuring all systems, flight control, camera, transmission, GPS, function correctly and communicate seamlessly. Poor craftsmanship in a mainboard could lead to intermittent issues, performance degradation, or even complete failure shortly after repair. The description also states it is high quality for professional use. This suggests the part meets standards suitable for repair shops and experienced technicians who demand reliable components that will restore the drone to its original specifications. It implies rigorous testing and quality control during manufacturing. For the end user, this translates to confidence that the repaired drone will perform as expected, maintaining its flight characteristics, stability, and feature set. Durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime are also listed as attributes. A motherboard is not typically subject to physical wear in the traditional sense, but these terms likely refer to the longevity and resilience of the electronic components and the board itself under operational stress, temperature variations, and vibrations experienced during flight. A durable mainboard means the repair is not just a temporary fix, but a long-term solution, extending the useful life of the DJI Mini 3 significantly. This is a key factor when considering the investment in a repair versus the cost of a new drone. Knowing that the replacement part is built to last provides peace of mind. In essence, this genuine core motherboard replacement offers a viable and potentially cost-effective solution for repairing a damaged DJI Mini 3. Its status as an original accessory, combined with the emphasis on easy installation, fine craftsmanship, high quality for professional use, durability, wear resistance, and long lifetime, positions it as a premium spare part aimed at restoring the drone's full functionality and reliability. For anyone needing to perform a mainboard replacement, this genuine option appears to be the most promising path to getting their Mini 3 back in the air with confidence.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.